The second part that we're going to create for the step stool is board B, and that is the shelf. For this board, we're going to hit File, New, and we'll select Part. We are also going to draw this from the top plane and top view. And we're going to go to Sketch, and we're going to sketch a rectangle. We'll use the corner rectangle tool and draw a rectangle first, and then we will go into Smart Dimension, and we're going to make this board 10 inches by 14 inches. After you have that dimensioned, you'll hit Exit Sketch. You will select your sketch, select Features, and Extrude Boss Base. We are going to use plywood for this. That is 3/4 of an inch. So we'll type in 0.75 for the dimension on the Boss Extrude, and we'll check mark. And we're going to fillet the shelf. The fillet locations are the bottom of the long side of the board. Make sure you have your full preview set, and the router size, or fillet size we'll be using, is 0.25. So we'll select the long side of the board bottom and the opposite side bottom. After you have that selected, you'll hit the check mark, and board B is done. At this point, you will file Save As your item into your file.